Greetings, greetings, greetings. Hey, say sometimes we can't get where Jesus had tried to say because we still stuck on the thing them when teach we already. Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with all of your friends. And you click the subscribe button yet? Go and go do it now. And the notification bell too, to make sure so you don't miss none of what I go on right here. So.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, we're going to read from the good news about Jesus as come to Matthew chapter 16 from verse 5 to verse 12. When Jesus followed them go across the nether side, them did forget to carry bread. Watch out, Jesus said to them. Guard yourself against the Pharisee and Sadducee people them yeast. So then start talk about this amongst them one another. Say a car we don't bring no bread. Jesus they don't know what they must say. So him said to them, boy, what a little bit of trust you put in me. Make you not talk amongst you one another about how you not no bread. You still not understand. You don't remember the 5 bread we feed the 5,000 people them. And how much basket and yama left you take up. What about the 7 bread we feed the 4,000 people them? And how much basket you take up with leftover food? So, how come you couldn't see enough food we did that talk about? But I tell you, if you watch out for the Pharisee and Sadducee people them yeast. At that time Jesus followed them catch. So he made talk to them about yeast to make bread. But him did talk against the sitting them with the Pharisee and Sadducee people them teach. And God would this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.